Alright guys, I'm doing a video right now. I'm gonna review Munkin Tag. My buddy plays it all the time. And I do too. Okay. How do I mute this? Okay. I don't think it's online. Oh. Where are some people are? So, Munkin Tag is like a game that you could have. Don't worry guys, I only use it to like run away. It is a game that's like more of a game for people that want mods, and there's a lot of good ones like platforms. I use these, and you're allowed to. The only like two you're not allowed to use are just like flying and up and down, I'm pretty sure. And then you have like 67 million shiny rocks. Oh my. So, this is the like beach right there, but I'm gonna show you how like good the speed boost is. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna show you without the speed boost. Off. Ah! Okay. That wasn't that bad. Alright, now with speed boost. See. Whoa! This game's so much fun. It's not better than real Gorilla Tag, but it's just fun to play. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to public lobby. And I don't want to fly tag, so I'm probably just gonna have it on just in case. Whoa, I glitched. Okay, ready guys? Option 1. I'm gonna go join the room. Hi guys.
Why you spam upon us? You're not even handicapped.
Hi.
Run! He threatened that guy.
Oh my god, I'm
You have my plummy bill? You're not the owner.
I forget, like only people play Infection in this game. What? What is everyone playing right now then? Are they all playing like Hunt? What's maybe like the only person Hunt? Yeah, no one. Alright, but I already have my avatar because I play this game a lot. Oh. Nope, just me again. Fine. Start. Oh wow, I just grew. Hello? Hi guys.
Wait, he played a me. You're on the same call. We're not playing Oh my gosh.
Do you want to play main game?
I'm stuck.
Do you want to play main game?
Oh, no.
Do you want to play main game?
I don't want to play mini games. Hey, guys, can I kill something? Oh, he's invisible. He's invisible. I know it. I know it.
Y'all come downstairs, bro. Yo, bro.
Do you want to play mini game? Do you want to play mini games?
No.
Do you want to play mini games?
Stop. Just make it stop.
You're not Daisy, bruh.
Jumped in the corner.
Ah. Ah.
I'm trapped.
Do y'all have mods on?
Do you want to play mini games?
Leave me alone.
Oh wow. Yo! Oh, I hit my wall. Ow, my hand. Bah! And then there's
Do you
also...
want to play mini games? You are baby.
And also...
Can you stay right there for me? Can you stay right there for me? Can you stay right there for me?
Mm,
Oh, no.
yo, who wants to get juked out? Come to mountains
Yeah,
with me.
anybody want to play mini games?
Everyone come to mountains.
Anybody want to play mini games?
Everyone come to mountains.
Hold on. You got the color code right.
Oh my god.
That's a good 9 hours.
Oh wait. They're all going back to school.
My keys.
Where are you going? Everyone's just leaving now. What the? You know, here. Do I have low gravity mode on? I think I do. Hold on. Brother, this guy stinks. Alright, guys, that's my reading. I'm gonna give it like a solid 2 out of 10. Because I do not support mods.